Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube Tips English. Today I will show you how to make the intro videos for YouTube channel videos. Please stay tuned with me till the end of this video so you can learn some new things. How to make the intro videos for the YouTube channel videos. Most of the YouTubers must know about the intro videos. The first impression is the best impressions. When the people will look about your videos, if you give the beautiful intro videos, the people will decide to watch your video until the end. Let's see how to make these beautiful intro videos, for which you need to open the Play Store app and install the intro maker for YouTube music intro video editor. You can find good rating and reviews from the Play Store. If you want to read the reviews, you can read and install this app in your mobile and open this app. You can see the beautiful templates. You can choose any one of these template to make the intro videos for your YouTube channel videos. Say for an example, I'm downloading these files in my mobile. See, now you can press the play option. You can edit the title. Here you can write your channel name. Say for example, I am writing my channel name. You can change the font size and font style. Here they have given some free style fonts, and if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade by paying the money. They have given some plans. If you want to use a freestyle, you can use a freestyle and press the done option. They have displayed the message upgrade to use VIP resources. As if you want to stay free, you can press the stay free options, and now you can press. You can also add the musics which they have given some musics files. You can choose your music files if you have any files in the mobile. The music has been added background of this video. From this app you can make beautiful intro videos for your YouTube channel videos, friends. If you want to use this app, you can download this app from the Play Store and use it. First impression is the best impression, friends. If anyone can watch your videos, if you give the beautiful intro videos, the people will decide to watch until the end. Now you can save the files. Now the video is exporting, friends. Please do not close the app and switch to other app. Exporting may interrupt if you exit the intro markers. While exporting the videos, don't close the app. If you close this app, your files will be discarded. That's it, friends. Your file have been saved in your mobile. See, you can also make the thumbnail, merge video and intro videos and videos, share. There are many options are available. So you can utilize this good opportunity to make the intro videos for your YouTube channel videos, friends. Thank you so much. Until then, bye. If you not yet subscribed, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the beautiful videos when I will upload the videos. You will receive it. Thank you so much.